The ketogenic, or keto, diet is a low-carb way of eating that has been adopted by many looking to lose weight and improve health. When following a keto diet, carbs are typically reduced to under 50 grams per day. This has been shown to lead to weight loss and may improve heart health and blood sugar control as well. 1 trusted source, 2 trusted source. However, to reap the benefits of the keto diet, it must be implemented correctly. Here are 8 things that may be sabotaging your weight loss efforts on a keto diet. 1. You're eating too many carbs. One of the main reasons people don't lose weight on the ketogenic diet is that they're consuming too many carbs. To reach the state of ketosis, a metabolic state in which your body burns fat for energy instead of glucose, carbohydrate intake must be drastically reduced. In fact, only around 5% of your total calories should come from carbs. 3 trusted source. This is in stark contrast to the standard dietary recommendation that 45 to 65% of calories come from carbs. 4 trusted source. It's normal to have a bit of difficulty cutting out carbs when first adjusting to the ketogenic diet. However, to reach and maintain ketosis, carbs must be decreased to the recommended range. To help reach your intake goals, consider tracking your macronutrients through an app like MyFitnessPal. This can help you learn how many servings of carbs you're allowed to have in a day depending on your calorie needs. Summary: to lose weight on a ketogenic diet, carbs must be decreased to reach the state of ketosis and induce fat burning. 2. You aren't eating nutritious foods. No matter what dietary plan follow, the key to healthy weight loss is to consume nutritious, whole foods. Relying on processed foods can put a dent in your weight loss even if they're keto-friendly. Adding in foods like snack bars, keto desserts and other packaged foods between meals can derail your weight loss efforts with the extra calories they provide. Additionally, eating too many convenience-type foods like hot dogs and fast food when you're on the run can slow weight loss. These foods are nutrient-poor, meaning they're high in calories but low in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. To optimize your nutrient intake while losing weight on the keto diet, stick to unprocessed, whole foods. For example, full-fat dairy products, eggs, fish, pastured meats, poultry and healthy fats like avocado and olive oil are all great choices. Be sure to add non-starchy vegetables like greens, broccoli, peppers and mushrooms to dishes to add nutrients and fiber. Summary: to optimize weight loss when following a ketogenic diet, avoid consuming too many processed foods and instead focus on meals and snacks that contain fresh, whole ingredients. 3. You may be consuming too many calories when trying to lose weight. It's critical to create a calorie deficit. This can be achieved by either reducing the number of calories that you consume or by expending more calories through increased physical activity. If you switch to a keto diet and don't watch your calorie intake, you're unlikely to drop pounds. Because many keto-friendly foods, including avocado,